How do PCI slots work in PC building? If you have ever wondered how your computer connects to its various components, you are in for a treat. Today, we will break down the role of peripheral component interconnected express slots in PC building. These slots are essential for adding expansion cards to your system, and they play a significant role in enhancing performance. At their core, PCI slots provide a high-speed connection between the motherboard and expansion cards. This means that when you install a graphics card, network card, or sound card, the PCI slot is what allows these components to communicate with the central processing unit. Each slot consists of lanes, which are pairs of wires that send and receive data simultaneously. You will find PCI slots in different sizes and configurations, such as X1, X4, X8, and X16. The X16 slot is the most crucial for gaming because it accommodates the graphics card. This slot allows for the highest data transfer rates, which is vital for rendering graphics smoothly during gameplay. Typically, PCI slots are located near the central processing unit socket on the motherboard. They are often color-coded or labeled, making it easier to identify their size and speed. When installing a graphics card, it is essential to ensure it is firmly seated in the X16 slot. Many graphics cards also requiring additional power connectors from the power supply unit, as the PCI slot alone may not provide enough power for high-performance cards. The PCI standard has evolved over time, with versions like PCI 3.0, 4.0, and the latest 5.0. Each new version doubles the data transfer rate of the previous one. While PCI slots and cards are compatible across different versions, using an older card in a newer slot may limit its performance. For optimal gaming performance, it is advisable to choose a motherboard that supports at least PCI 3.0 or 4.0. Motherboard form factors also impact the number and type of PCI slots available. Larger motherboards, such as Advanced Technology Extended, often feature multiple PCI slots. This allows for multi-graphics processing unit setups or additional expansion cards. In contrast, smaller form factors like Micro Advanced Technology Extended or Mini ITX may have fewer slots, which can limit upgrade options but are ideal for compact builds. In summary, PCI slots are vital for connecting high-performance components in a gaming computer. The X16 slot is the primary connection for the graphics card, ensuring it has the bandwidth and power it needs. When building a PC, selecting the right motherboard with suitable PCI configurations is essential for achieving the desired performance and future upgrade potential.